Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. However, come to the point. Look at the whiteboard. In number one sentence, I know him. In number two sentence, I know his name. In number three sentence, I know what his name is. Now notice it carefully. In number one sentence, I know him. This is object. In number two sentence, his name. This is also object. In number three sentence, what his name is. It is also object. But notice it very carefully. What his name is. It is also used as a subject because here is a verb and it is finite verb. So this is a part of a sentence. Yes, learners, we have understood that I am going to discuss about clause. So what is clause? Clause is a part of a sentence having a subject and a finite verb. I repeat. Clause is a part of a sentence having a subject and a finite verb. You can say, I know this is a part, it is also a part. So it is a big sentence. I know what his name is, but there are two parts. It is a part, it is a clause, and it is also a clause. So you have understood that clause is a part of a large sentence having a subject and finite verb. Now come to the classification of clause. Number one, there are three types of clauses. Number one, principal. Clause. Number two, subordinate clause. Number three, coordinate clause. Coordinate clause. Principal clause. You certainly understand that principal is a clause that can express its meaning clearly without help of another clause. It is an independent clause. A clause that can express its meaning clearly without any help of any other clause, that is principal clause. And what happened to subordinate clause? When the clause cannot express its meaning without help of other, then it is called subordinate clause. So principal clause can express its meaning without help of others, and it cannot express its meaning without help of others. So this is the difference. Now I am making clear it by giving an example. If you come, I shall go. There are two parts in the sentence. This is if you come and I shall go. This is another part. So when I say I shall go, no one can ask me. It can express its meaning clearly. But if I say if you come. So if I write again, if you come dot dot, it is an incomplete part of a sentence or incomplete sentence. It cannot, if you come, this part cannot express its meaning clearly. But when it is added, this part or some type of this part will be added, then it can make it clear, make it sense clear. So subordinate clause cannot make its meaning clear without help of other, but principal clause, this is principal clause. I am going to give another example. As he is ill, he can't or cannot go to school. There are also two parts. He cannot go to school. This is principal clause. And as he is ill, this part, as he is ill, it cannot complete its meaning clearly or totally fail to communicate. So this is subordinate clause. And coordinate clause, when two principal clauses are connected, then it is called coordinate clause. Again, I say when two principal clauses are connected, then it is called coordinate clause. So this is about clause. Thank you.